Hello everybody, and today I'm just going to do a quick overview of the assembly part of this little credenza.
The reveal here.
Yeah, so this won't be an instructional video, just a quick overview of the steps that you will encounter, and I'm going to speed through this tape so as not to burn up your time. I hate it when videos just linger on stuff. Here's the final product. This is what you're looking for: legs in the bottom, record player on top. It starts off, of course, with the instruction book, and I don't know. It's quite a bit of instruction, but if you've done IKEA or something, it shouldn't be too bad. First thing, get everything sorted out. Glue comes in there, so you're going to be gluing in the dowel pins, just a couple of drops, of course, on each of these, and that will, a little glue makes a big difference in the final product. So you've got quite a few of these, 20, 30, I don't know, quite a few. You go through there, and then it's just these kind of standard cam locks. You'll put these into the holes, and once you put the parts together, you just give them a little quarter twist, and they'll lock. So that's a pretty standard kind of a quick build home assembly stuff too. So I'm starting to get the skeleton together, and now the idea is just to put the sections together and do a quick, a little quarter turn, and that locks the pieces together. And the frame is a little fragile at this part, so you really should have some helpers, a helper, somebody, so you don't break it. It's just composite wood, so it's pretty fragile. Slip in backing pieces. It's machined in, so they should work okay. Here's the bottom coming on. So little screws, Allen wrench. This will take a while and test your hand strength, I guess. These are the legs I'm putting on now, and again, there's I don't know, 3 or 4 screws on each of these, and they just go in there and lock those legs in place. Overall, I think it's pretty sturdy for a kind of a disposable piece of furniture. I wouldn't try moving this around the country, but it'll be fine for what we're trying to do. Just that little orange radio stand isn't right, and we wanted to get something that fits that spot a little better. The backing just slides in again, and now we'll get the top put on. Oh, a little bit of glue on these dowel pins, so those will lock those pins in, and it only takes a drop or two. A little Elmer's glue. Some screws underneath there. They're a little bit difficult to get to. Little screws and tabs there hold that back, firm up that back board. I mean, that's only like 1/4 inch fiber board, so again, not too strong, but adequate for what we need. Okay, so now the hardware for the door comes on. Those are magnetic locks, so it'll hold the door shut. There is some alignments there, the slotted screws, so once you get the doors on there, you'll adjust those a little bit. Here's the hardware handles going on the door. I did one of these backwards and had to rework it, but no big deal. It takes a while. Get all the screws in there, and then the little hinge pins as well on the credenza. Once you get those all together, it's just a matter of working them into the box, and you'll see me do a little rework on that. But anyway, so they're in there, or almost in there, trying to get them lined up where they close nicely. That little ruler was a spacer. We were using that for a spacer. So there you go. I think it looks pretty nice. I mean, again, this is not high quality furniture, but it works. It's got the little magnetic retaining lock, so easy shut. and our record player and little bookshelf speakers will fit fine on this. I'm gonna get an album and put in there. They won't stand on their end, but I've heard you're not supposed to put them on their ends anyway. They should lie them flat. I don't know. In the comments, let me know what the best way to do that is. So anyway, it's all together now, and we're just going to get it.
Do we want to center it on the wall?
All right, so we'll get it on the wall, and got our little phonograph and bookshelf speakers there. So I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. For just a few hundred, there you go. I mean, you can do this. Take care out there.